Hello, Gemini. This is going to be your finance and career reading for January 2023. My name is Marysol. Please go look at your sun, moon, and rising sign for more information. For those of you that want to join my social media, the links are in the bottom of the description as well as the cards that I am using. If a number comes out more than once in your reading, that is going to be your angel number. Your angel number is going to give you more information about your reading. It is also a positive message that somebody is trying to get to you, okay? Let's begin by getting you a spiritual message. Let's ask the universe to give us a spiritual message for Gemini. Finance and career reading. Right. What is the message for Gemini? Finance and career reading for January 2023. And the message is Magician and the Mirror. Feel like you're looking at yourself in the mirror and you're trying to see what you're going to manifest next, okay? But we will clarify that card to see what's going on. All right, universe, what's going on with Gemini, finance and career for January 2023? What are the messages for Gemini, finance and career for January 2023? Messages for Gemini, finance and career for January 2023. The King of Wands, okay? So you are very, very passionate about your job, okay? The King of Wands has a lot of passion. He's a king, so he could be somebody in a very high position in a corporation. He could be the owner of his own business, okay? He has a lot of knowledge. The Hierophant. The Hierophant is a spiritual leader, okay? He could be a teacher, and you may be going to a teacher to teach you more about something, okay, so that you could have more knowledge, and knowledge brings you good luck, okay? So does your spirituality, okay? And I feel like you have to use your innovation, you have to use your intuition to make decisions, okay? I feel like you're getting a lot of premonitions, okay? A lot of premonitions. These premonitions are not coming from a spiritual leader, so they're coming from within you, right? Listen to your premonitions, okay? The High Priestess, pay attention to your premonition. The High Priestess, once again, uses her intuition, uses her higher wisdom, okay, to make decisions. See what else is going on for Gemini. For Gemini, finance and career reading for January 2023. The Hanged Man. So there's something that you have to surrender. There's something that you have to let go of, okay? You have to look at things from a different perspective, okay? See what else is going on here. The Six of Swords. I feel like you're going from drama, okay, to more calmer, more peaceful waters, okay? Some of you may be moving. Others of you might just be taking a a cruise just to relax, okay? But you're definitely going to a more peaceful situation. Let's see what else is happening with Gemini. The Wheel of Fortune. You are going to have a new beginning when it comes to your abundance, okay? Good fortune, new beginning. One more card for Gemini, finance and career reading. Finance and career reading for Gemini. There is an opportunity that the universe is offering you, okay? I do feel like you are looking at that opportunity. Very good. Let's clarify all of these cards. Let's ask the universe to give us a clear, concise clarification for Gemini. Finance and career reading, January 2023. Okay, let's start with the Magician in the Mirror. Let's clarify the Magician in the Mirror. Universe, help me clarify the Magician in the Mirror. What is this Magician all about? You're looking at yourself in the mirror and you're saying, I have confidence, I have strength, I am bold, I could handle this situation. You are the Magician, okay? You're just looking at yourself in the mirror. I am ready now to manifest whatever I want to manifest, okay? You are a leader, okay? And as a leader, you're very compassionate, you're very organized, okay? You know how to talk to people. However, you're sad about something, okay? You are sad about something. Let's see what you are sad about. What is it that Gemini is sad about? What is it that Gemini is sad about? What is it that Gemini is sad about? You're sad about some opportunities that were not offered to you, even though you're a leader, even though you have all the knowledge. Those opportunities were not offered to you, okay? Let's clarify the Seven of Cups in reverse. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups in reverse. But you have come to a completion, okay? A completion that's going to allow you to start a new chapter in your life, okay? This new chapter, you're going to write it, all right? So you're going to be the writer of this chapter, of this new beginning. Make sure you write a positive one, a good one, okay? So the Hierophant, I feel like you are getting premonitions, okay? Premonitions. Of course, you may be going to your spiritual leader, but I see premonitions here, okay? Make sure you use your intuition, your inner wisdom, okay? See what it is that you're getting premonitions about. I feel like this premonitions, okay, or these feelings that you got are about your abundance, right? Your money, okay? These thoughts that you're having are about, use your intuition, use your inner wisdom, okay? Let's clarify this Nine of Pentacles in reverse. You got the Five of Swords, so there is not any competition, right? There's nothing that you have to be worried about when it comes to your money, okay? But you are having these thoughts about your money, okay? these feelings, these premonitions. Let's see what this is all about. What is this Five of Staffs all about? Okay, what is this Five of Staffs all about? What are these premonitions, these feelings all about? Maybe you're thinking about retirement because here is a celebration, okay? And we've come to a completion in your life. So maybe you were worried about your money, about your abundance, okay? But remember, there's going to be a check coming in every month if you have a pension, okay? Or something that you save for the last 30 years or 40 years, okay? It's a check that's going to be coming in every month. So the same way you did with your money and when you were getting paid every other week is what you're going to do with your money. Now, some of you are going to get some money for retirement, so that's extra money that you're going to have in the bank. So I feel like there's no need to worry about your money, okay? You could celebrate happily, write this chapter very happily, right? But you do need to use your intuition and use your inner wisdom, right? You should always use your intuition, not only for money, but for everything in your life. I see you worried about money, okay? I see you worried about money. Like I said, I see you worried about money. I see you worried about going into hardship, okay? Let's see. But remember, you are the one with that pen and pencil. You could change that all around. You got the Eight of Swords, so it is not the end of a difficult situation for you. I feel like you're going through a financial hardship. Okay, you're surrendering something. Even if you're going through a financial hardship, okay, that is only temporary, right? Everything in life is temporary. Movement. I feel like you are going to manifest what you want, okay, by surrendering something, by letting go of something, okay? So let's see the Hanged Man. Let's clarify this Hanged Man. Balance. Once you let go, okay, you're going to be aligned with universe, you're going to be balanced, and things are going to start happening for you, okay? Here we are. We're moving into calmer waters by the end of the month, okay? We're moving into calmer waters. And we got oppression, okay? We no longer feel stuck in a situation. All right, let's ask the universe to clarify oppression. However, be more compassionate, be a little kinder, okay? Because here is good news about your pentacles. Good news about your money. And that good news is going to bring you a new beginning, good fortune, good luck, and a new beginning, okay? I'm getting that it might have been something that you in the beginning didn't want to do, but once you did it, you were happy, okay? The Two of Cups is clarifying that new beginning. That new beginning is not only going to bring you good fortune, it's going to bring you together with your kindred spirit. Okay, it's gonna bring you together with your soulmate. Okay, I feel like there is a lot of opportunities out there, and you are seeing them. You are looking at those opportunities that the universe is offering you. Okay, so let's clarify this Four of Cups in reverse. However, your dreams are not coming true yet. Okay, there's something you have to do before your dreams come true. Let's clarify this Nine of Cups and see why your dreams are not coming true, Gemini, yet. The Six of Pentacles, okay? Until you get balance, until you understand the energy of giving and receiving, okay, your dreams are not going to come true. You're not going to manifest what you want. Okay, first you got to get aligned, balanced with the universe, aligned with the universe, balanced, okay? Then you understand that giving and receiving, being the energy of being compassionate, of being kind. Until you understand that, okay, there could be a new beginning, but your dreams are not going to come true until you understand that, okay? Wow. If this reading resonated with you, please hit the subscribe button, like and share. We're going to move on to a law of attraction money card. These are money and the law of attraction by Ester and Jerry Hicks. Okay. So let's see what is going to be the law of attraction card for Gemini. I am the creator of my own life experience. You are the creator of your own life experience, and as the creator of your experience, it is important to understand that it is not by virtue of your action, not by virtue of your doing. It is not even by virtue of what you are saying that you are creating. You are creating by virtue of the thoughts and you are offering. You cannot speak of or offer action without thought vibration occurring at the same time. However, you are often offering a thought vibration without offering words or action. Children or babies learn to mimic the vibration of the adults who surround them long before they learn to mimic their words. So, I am the creator of my own life experience. Now that you're going to have a new chapter to write, a new beginning, write it with a good life experience, right? All right. Let's see what your crystal is going to be. And your crystal is going to help you with your situation, okay? Gemini, it's also going to be your vision board. I have the link in the bottom of the description where you can get your vision board if you wish, okay? So let's see what your crystal is going to be, Gemini. That's going to help you with this situation. Amethyst, okay? Amethyst is a healing crystal. So there's something that you have to heal from, okay? It has to do with spirituality. Amethyst opens up the crown chakra, stimulating spiritual growth, enlightenment, and self-realization. Working with amethyst can raise your vibrational frequency and connect you to your higher self. Amethyst relieves anxiety and stress and can be used to promote peaceful sleep. Affirmation: I am committed to my spiritual growth as I raise my consciousness, I become a source of light to the world. So get yourself an amethyst at one of your crystal store. And then if you want to get a vision board, okay, the vision board, put on it whatever you want to heal, okay, so that you can focus on those emotions that you want to heal, so that you could become this kind, compassionate person aligned with source, balanced with source. And these cards will turn around, because then you will know the energy of giving and receiving. Okay, so remember, you are the creator of your own life experiences. Okay, there's some healing we got to work on, right? Hope to see you next time. Bye.